IconGenerator AI is an incredibly powerful tool that's just been released, and if you're looking for a game changer in graphic design and digital marketing, you need to stick around for this review. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about IconGenerator AI, from its features to its benefits, and how it stacks up against the competition. First off, if you're new to IconGenerator AI, this software is designed to help you create stunning icons in seconds using artificial intelligence. But what really sets it apart? IconGenerator AI doesn't just simplify the process, it revolutionizes it. Whether you're designing for a website, mobile app, or a social media campaign, this tool generates professional icons tailored to your exact needs, and it does it with minimal effort on your part. You can try IconGenerator AI completely free from the first link below. So if you're curious about what it can do, there's no risk in giving it a spin. One of the standout features of IconGenerator AI is its ability to create icons based on specific keywords. For instance, you type in something as simple as nature, technology, or food, and the AI will produce an array of icons that perfectly match the theme. This takes a lot of guesswork and manual work out of designing, making it incredibly efficient for content creators, marketers, and web developers. Secondly, the software supports multiple styles. Whether you're looking for minimalistic flat icons or something more detailed and colorful, IconGenerator AI can generate the exact style you're after. This flexibility is what makes it an essential tool for marketers and graphic designers who need to cater to different branding guidelines. Another key feature is the customization options. While the AI generates icons automatically, it doesn't leave you with a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tweak the icons, change colors, adjust sizing, and even alter the design elements. This means that you're never locked into a template that doesn't match your vision. Now let's talk about speed. IconGenerator AI is incredibly fast. You can generate icons within seconds, even with complex specifications. If you're someone who's constantly working under tight deadlines or you simply want to save time, this tool will make your life much easier. On top of that, IconGenerator AI integrates seamlessly with other design software. It allows you to export your icons in various formats like PNG, SVG, and even vector files, which is a major plus if you need to incorporate these icons into larger design projects. In terms of pricing, IconGenerator AI offers both free and premium plans. While the free plan gives you access to many core features, the premium plan unlocks additional customization and advanced features like batch processing, giving you even more control over the designs you create. It's a cost-effective solution if you're looking for professional-grade icons without breaking the bank. Lastly, the support and community behind IconGenerator AI is impressive. They offer detailed tutorials, FAQs, and a helpful support team to guide you through any challenges. It's a solid investment if you're looking for long-term reliability. So, in conclusion, IconGenerator AI is one of the best AI-driven tools for generating professional icons quickly and efficiently. If you're tired of spending hours designing icons, this software will save you time and help you produce high-quality results. You can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. And if you're looking for other great AI tools, I've listed some of my recommended AI software in the description below, all of which you can try for free after trying thousands of AI tools myself. Don't forget to check out the free trial and see how IconGenerator AI can elevate your digital projects.